Hi guys, in this lesson I'm gonna teach you how to record your finished project. So we have already finished project right here, Watchtower of Turkey. I'm adding this into timeline. In the previous Camtasia we were coming into the file button here. We were doing the rendering right here. But in this updated version of Camtasia, we are just coming to share button right here. It's much more easier than previous one. So there are a lot of options here: local file, screencast, Vimeo, YouTube, etc. I am coming into local file, so custom production settings, share to screencast. There are a lot of options here. It's possible to directly share on YouTube here, as you see, or it's possible to directly save on Google Drive, or share to Vimeo, or there are a lot of different options right here, as you see. I prefer this one, MP4 up to 1080p, so I really like this. I'm rendering my projects with these settings, so I'm generally choosing this one. So the dimensions, editing dimensions right here, MP4. So click the next button, just name your project here and click finish button. So it's that easy. So you can also click play video after production or show production results. I don't want these to be clicked. Produce files into subfolders. You can manage these attributes. There are a lot of options here. Also in the share button again, directly you can share on YouTube if you have signed, but you gotta sign it first. Sign in, then click. I already signed in into Camtasia. You can manage your account right here. This is my account. I signed into this program here. So getting render of your project in the Camtasia Studio is updated this way. So see you on the next lesson.